So how do you apply to jobs on LinkedIn? Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to be discussing how we can apply for jobs on LinkedIn. So make sure to stick with me. But before we get started, I want to mention something that this is not going to be your typical tutorial of just going to the job section and tapping and apply. I'm going to show you exactly how you can crack that job, what you can do to better get chances of getting hired, and how you can improve your resume and everything else. So without further ado, let's get started. Now first of all, what you have to do is, as always, just open a LinkedIn app and log into your account. Now, I'm assuming you've already created your account and logged in. If you haven't created an account yet, then do so right now. I already have a video made on that. Just search them up in my channel. Now from here, what we have to do is, before we go to the jobs tab, I want you to simply go to your profile tab. So tap on the profile option, go to view profile. Make sure you update your profile with up-to-date experience, up-to-date skills, up-to-date education background, because chances are that if you're applying for a certain job, the recruiter or the hiring manager is actually going to get and actually see your full profile and judge you based on your profile. So more than the resume, I try to recruit people, and more than actually just trying to view at the resume, I just go ahead and view on their profile and see what they are all about, what their profile is all about, and what are they looking for, what are the skill sets, and so on, right? Because on resume, anybody could just write anything, but the main thing is basically profile. So you want to make sure to actually add a very professional looking. Now this is actually a dummy account, so do not mind this one over here, but you want to make sure to add a very professional looking and a clean looking profile. You don't want to add something that is added, maybe you took on a beach or on a vacation. That's not how it works. If you have a background, if you know how to make a custom background, that's a plus point for you. If you know how to design things using Canva or of any of the free applications out there, you can just try to design something for your background just related to your own thing. Then you want to make sure to add a compelling headline about your skills. So let's say you are a copywriter, then you can actually just write in, I help businesses scale their growth via words or copywriting. So you don't just type in copywriter, right? Because that's a very lame thing. Just type in, I help businesses do this, I help them achieve this, that, and that way the recruiter is actually going to get much more interested in you. Now if you scroll down here, you can add some of your resources, the analytics, the activity tab. Now if you have a recent experience, you can also try to just add those experiences here. You can add anything as you like, just not anything but the things that you work. If you don't have an experienced background, then in that case you can try to add and something match it up with the education background, because you must have already a decent amount of education. If you don't have that, also don't mind it. You can just go to the skills tab and try to add some of the skills that you might have, and add the skills if you have some licenses and certification, because the profile is very, very important on LinkedIn. People or the recruiters are going to judge you based on your profile. So make sure that you set up your profile very completely and neatly, so that people or the recruiters have higher chances of actually trying to approach you and schedule for an interview. Now after we've set up that, what I'd like you to do is just select your skill sets, right? Because based on your skill sets, LinkedIn is going to give you recommended jobs. So if I just come back here, I have chose content creator, right? So if I basically come back here and then just go to the jobs tab from the bottom right, by default LinkedIn will give me some of the top picks for my job. So right here you can see top job picks for you. It will give me, because I selected content creator on my profile, it will give me the recommendations based on that, such as content creator, or you can say content writer, or creator, video creator, presenter, or something like that. It will just give me the jobs based on that. If you're searching for a custom job, then you can tap on the search bar and you can search for something that most appeals to you if the recommendations are incorrect. But mostly these are all going to get corrected. So you can tap on the show all option here. You can see all of the jobs. So let's say there's a certain job that has piqued your interest. Here you can say 22 applicants, 12 applicants, 24 applicants. Just tap on that. Now here you'll see all the requirements of that job. Now this is an on-site job. They already have 200 to 500 employees, and the skills that they require are video production, camera operation, and 8 more, and so many other things. You can tap on save and you can just read something about the job company, because that is going to play an important role in help you acquiring that jobs, right? So make sure to just post something about the company and how you match your skill sets and everything else, such as more jobs and so on. So let's tap on easy apply. Before we apply, one thing that you need to have already ready is your resume, because you'll have to upload your resume over here. If you don't know how to make a resume. I will also make a tutorial on that, so you might want to stick if you know how to, or if you already have one, just convert them into a PDF or something so that you can upload them over here. Now, as I said, because we've already set up our profile very neatly, then recruiters are actually going to check our profile and help pick their interest in that case. Here you can see contact info. Make sure to enter your email number, enter your phone number, country code, and the phone number as well over here. Your resume, as I said earlier, just make sure you upload your resume. It could be in PDF format or in image format, also doesn't really matter. You can also follow their company's group. It will be checked by default, by the way, so if you want to uncheck that, you can uncheck it. Tap on submit, and after that all you have to do is wait, because you've applied for it. Then though there could be a couple of chances, because we've worked harder than anyone on this platform, then other people should be able to go ahead and then respond to you. So this way you should be able to go ahead and then apply for jobs. You can also try to apply for multiple jobs. I hope that this video helped you gain some insights as to how you can increase your chances of getting hired and apply for a job on LinkedIn platform. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.